sa aking channel, and today we're going to make these. Kaya ka ta? These! So, ito ay tawag ay mask holder daw, or eyeglass holder, or mask lanyard. Ingay naman ng ulan. Mask ulan. Stop! Sana naririnig niyo pa rin ako. May nakita ko sa IG nitong mga cute flowers na made with beads. And sabi ko, wow, sobrang cute. So, I decided to make one for myself. Mga nakikita ko sa IG, hanggang bracelet lang siya. Siguro kasi medyo matrabaho na konting gawin. Pero, worth it naman siya. So, I made it into a mask holder. And it turned out so well. So, if you wanna know how I made this, so stick around and watch the video. If you have any questions, as usual, just comment down below. And yeah, let's go to the video. So this is the string that I'll be using. It is a 0.2mm string. It's pretty thin. You can search online for some neon strings or bead strings. You can also buy needles for this kind of project, but I only have some thin, like super thin wires, so I'm gonna use that in replacement of a needle. Any needle or a thin wire is super helpful because the string is so thin that it's gonna be difficult for you to insert it inside the beads. Time to cut some strings. So the rule is, you will need to cut triple of what you'll need. For this part, I'll be needing at least 14 cm. So what I'll do is I'll multiply that by 3 and then cut the string. Now that I've finally cut my strings, I'm going to insert it into my needles and fold it in half. And in the middle, I'm gonna insert a small gold loop. Now grab your crimp tube and insert it to both strings. Use a plier to flatten your crimp stopper. This is what it looks like once flattened. So the next thing is, you get a white seed bead and insert it to both strings as well. So I got a little bit annoyed that it kept moving and I need it stable, so I got a masking tape to help with that problem. So I got this irregular shaped pearl and I am inserting both strings to the irregular shaped pearl, and this is what it looks like. Add another white seed bead. Now it's time to make the blue flower, the best part. Okay, listen carefully. Insert the strings on opposite directions. It should look like an X. Crisscross. This is the part where I'm gonna tell you that needles are important, because without the needles and a thin string, you're just gonna have a headache. And you're just gonna be stressed out. After inserting my first blue seed bead, I pulled it so that it will be tightened together with the white bead. Next step is, you get 2 of each blue bead and you insert it to each side. Now grab your gold bead and again insert it on the opposite direction, so it will be an X crisscross. Pull that bead tight and you will have a circle after. And this is what it looks like. It's not a flower yet, but we're getting there, so a little patience please. So you have the right and the left side of the two blue beads. Grab your right string and insert it to the right two blue beads blue beads that you have right now. I'm gonna put an illustration so it will be easier. Do the same to the left side. For the last part of the flower, get another seed bead and insert this string from the opposite direction again. Shuffle the beads, putting it in its right place, and then you'll have a flower. Now that you have mastered a flower bead, the next thing you're gonna do is insert a gold bead, one small irregular bead, and then another gold bead. Follow the illustration on your right side. Repeat this pattern 2 more times. By the way guys, there's a lot of ways to do a flower bead. I just find it really pretty this way. I find it more precise, the look of the flower bead. So once you're done doing the pattern, you already have 3 flower beads. You're gonna end it with a white seed bead, and then a big irregular bead, and then a white seed bead again, and then repeat the pattern again. And then at the end, you're gonna put a crimp bead, and then you're gonna insert your jump ring, your jump loop. And what I'm doing here is, after I tie a knot at the jump ring, I'm gonna insert the string back again inside the white seed bead, the irregular bead, and another white seed bead. Next is you're gonna insert one side of the string to the blue seed bead, as you can see what I'm doing right here, and then tie a knot. I do at least one to two knots so that it will be really secure. So after tying a knot, I will push the string back inside that blue seed bead so that it will be hidden, and then I'm gonna cut it and you're done. Now get your lobster hook and insert it inside your jump ring. Make 2 of these so you'll have a pair. Cut your desired length of string again and insert it into one jump ring. Insert one white seed bead and then continue inserting your tube beads. Any color will do. I chose transparent one. The amount of tube beads is up to you. And as you can see, after the tube beads, I put a pearl. And once I'm done with my desired length, I'm gonna attach it again to the jump ring. Tie a knot, and I'm gonna insert the string back again to that one white seed bead and tie a knot again. This way, before I cut the string, I know that it will be secure. And you're finally done! You can add this part if you want it for your glasses. Now we can see the final result. watching until the end of the video. I hope nagustuhan niyo siya. I hope gagawin niyo din siya. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. And don't forget to hit the notification button para every time na may video ako, notify kayo. And also, if may gusto kayong mga videos, just comment down below kung may mga request kayo. Bye guys!